Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1973 MGB GT. It's finished in harvest gold, black interior, 4-speed Rostyle wheels, and super good car, showing 72,000 miles. It had a very good, like almost show quality paint job, just its single respray, and didn't quite get all the way back together. A few pieces left to fit, but a really excellent car that just needs a little bit of finishing work. Let's take a walk around this. You'll see how beautiful and well preserved this car is. So super good show quality paint. They also refinished the wheels on the car. But great low mileage car that we purchased from South Dakota. You can see the condition of the rubber, the finishing strip around the windshield. It's just excellent. Glass is amazing. Panel fit, panel gap is great. Car was color sanded, polished, buffed. It's going to make a beautiful car once it's just got the final button up on it. Perfect body gaps. Nice lenses, good original chrome. Just take a little slow walk around here. I mean, you could just see the quality of the paint. It's really excellent. But it went into a barn and sat for a bit, and the owner just never had a chance to finish the car. But really lovely quality respray all the way around, with really good original fitting chrome. Just taking a small walk around here. Original color of harvest gold, which really suits these cars well. Interior wise, all original trim. Let me show you that. This car needs a carpet kit, but as you can see here, almost perfect seats except for a little stitching job needed on the corner there, which is great. But really lovely original seats, perfect dashboard, perfect steering wheel, perfect original headliner. But you can see over here, like the carpet kit is starting to fade on it, but great panel kit all the way around. You know, you can just see the cleanliness of this car with the door jambs, and you know, a couple door panels and arm bars need putting on, which we have. We were very careful to make sure the seller gave us everything, which was easy because it was kept in the car. So really good condition original door panels, arm bars are great, floor mats, kick panel. But like I said, a carpet kit, as this car goes back together interior-wise, would do wonders. So, as you can see here, this is just the original looking door shell. You can see how just, you know, beautiful and clean all this stuff is here. Dashboard, I think, needs replaced. The dash cubby needs putting in, but really good condition dash. I can only see just a slight hairline in the middle there, which is easy to fix. Passenger seats perfect, as you can see here. Original rubber floor mats. So this would be a very easy car. Oh, I just noticed something. It's dark blue. So it's harvest gold with very dark blue interior. But very easy car to just put back together quickly and have it running and driving. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. Yeah, such a nice unmolested, straight, original car in just lovely condition, waiting to go back together. So under here we have the original engine. You can see all the original paint work. It needs, they've scraped the underhood, waiting for the panel kit to get, the insulating kit. But we do have the air cleaners. That's the original engine. It turns over nice. So this car is probably going to need a little bit of a tune-up to get it running and driving, and a fresh battery and maybe some brake work, but should not be very difficult at all. Get that going and getting the car running and driving and back to health. But yeah, as of late, the GT market is, it's, you know, people love these BGTs. This is a very nice period color, sort of a sandy beige, which is real attractive. Yeah, build date on this is 12/72, marking it as a 73-year model. Looks like it's got tinted glass as well, which is nice for a closed car. But yeah, if you're in the market for a very light project where all the heavy lifting's been done and it just needs some easy light mechanicals and maybe a carpet kit and some light, very light upholstery, this is an easy one right here. 1973 MGB GT Sports Coupe, finished in its beautiful repainted color of harvest gold, very dark blue interior, 4-speed Rostyle wheels, showing 72,000 original miles. Excellent car just to button up and get going and put it back on the road. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.